Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're checking out the Binize CarPlay AI Box, a sleek and powerful device that upgrades your existing infotainment system into a wireless, fully connected multimedia hub. If your car has OEM wired CarPlay or Android Auto, this little box will take it to the next level. So, what exactly does it do at its core? The Binize AI Box transforms your wired CarPlay into wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. That means no more fumbling with cables every time you start your car. Just plug the AI box into your USB port, and your phone connects wirelessly for a clean, convenient experience. But that's just the beginning. This AI box runs on Android 13, making it smoother, faster, and more reliable than many other adapters on the market. With 4GB of RAM and 64GB of built-in storage, you'll have plenty of space to download and run apps directly on the box. No need to rely solely on your phone. That means you can stream video through YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, or other apps right on your car's display, keeping passengers entertained during long drives or downtime. Installation couldn't be easier. It's a true plug-and-play system. No wiring, no complex setup, just plug it into the same port you normally use for CarPlay and you're good to go. The built-in interface is intuitive, giving you easy access to apps, navigation, streaming, and more. One of the best features is compatibility. As long as your car already has factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto, this device works seamlessly. Whether you're driving a compact car, SUV, or luxury vehicle, the Binize AI Box makes your infotainment system feel brand new with modern wireless convenience. It's not just about entertainment either. Having Android 13 on board means you can also download productivity apps, navigation alternatives, and even customize your driving experience in ways you just can't with standard CarPlay alone. If you've been thinking about upgrading your infotainment system without replacing the entire unit, the Binize CarPlay AI Box is an excellent solution. It's affordable, powerful, and easy to use, making it one of the best car tech upgrades you can get right now. So, if you're ready to enjoy wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and video streaming all in one sleek device, check out the Binize AI Box today. And don't forget subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech reviews and smart car gadgets you won't want to miss.